So years ago, it was SEO, which was a very popular way to gain traffic, to increase your ranking, which ultimately lead to more income for and sales for your business. And you know, once SEO became famous and hit, many people started offering different SEO optimization and ranking services to people, and people also started people I mean people also earned money through it, and obviously the businesses and service industry also made money through it. And with ever new advancements, with Google frequently changing and updating, local SEO have been a popular talk of the town for some time. And it's been you know getting more attention over the time, because local SEO results are different. It's not on a based on a specific query, but the results get changed for a particular query, because people are not looking for national results, but rather people are looking for local results, results near your area. Rather, let's say right now in SEO, I can target something in a different, like I can target something in US, UK, or in a country where I'm not living. But local SEO is something different. It's targeting to local services. For instance, it's a restaurant, it's a gym, it's a doctor, it's a plumber, it's an engineer, it's a mobile phone shop near me. So, local SEO terms have been, quite popular from some time. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money by selling local SEO services. Okay, so I know that local SEO is a very famous thing now, and people are selling it. And number one method is to sell a service just like ordinary SEO services which you are selling to people. You can also sell local SEO service and make good money through it, and that is actually a good way of making money. You can have a client or retainer, you can charge a fixed fee or a whatever is your pricing model, and you can charge so that your client can get ranked for a particular query, or for a query or queries or different queries. So that is a very good way of earning money as a local SEO service. The second method is actually selling the service. Like, even in local SEO, there are different things. There are citations, there are backlinks, there is a Google business profile optimization. Let me look around and tell you some services which you can sell. Let's say if we open Fiverr, and I'm gonna tell. Look back into buying, move to buying. And let's say if I'm searching regarding local SEO service, let's see what I can find on. I even found many things like local SEO service, and you can see there is a this is more like a monthly package. And let us search more on this local SEO services to figure out what offers we get. I will provide like Google business optimization. I will be your SEO consultant for local services. So you can another point is that you can provide local SEO consultation like this guy. You can see local SEO consultation is also good. Like, I can search on local SEO consultation and see what people are doing. Consultation. 1 hour SEO consultation. So you can see that local SEO consultancy is very good. And again, there is a local citations. Local citations is also a good way to earn money. I told you about providing optimization services for profile. That is also good way. You can sell backlinks, you can sell citations, even you can provide your service as a local SEO consultant, like this guy who's charging $120 per hour as a local SEO consultant and discussing about leads. And the next point is slightly difficult for anyone, and that is selling a tool or a software for local SEO service. I know it's difficult, and if you are not a developer like me, I'm not a developer, so it's going to be a tough job, because you have to collaborate with someone, or you have to hire someone to create some local SEO software, local SEO optimization software, or ranking software, or citations find software, something like this. And you can make money, again, a software tool or a plugin, whatever is convenient. Again, that is an option, but that is a slightly difficult. I understand that as well, but that is a method as well, through which you can make good money as a local SEO service. And the last method is about, creating your own landing page and selling leads. Even, I was searching before, this video. I searched on, what can be the perfect landing page in case if you are not if you're trying to sell or generate leads for your own and selling that to business, or eventually, you can sell that landing page even to the business. So I just figured out, I was searching something related to water filter Dallas, Texas. I got some pages. I was searching on insurance. You can see that is a landing page of a guy with reviews over here. That is again another insurance landing page. That is also an insurance landing page. So you can see that creating an insurance page is a good way. And then once you generate leads, you can sell it to the business. So I was just searching, and then you can see the water filter. Like I told you, I just discussed on some landing pages. You can see over these, and you can see that is a more landing page which I like, because there is a lead form over there. But everyone is different. In a local SEO service, some people like to directly call, because and some people like to fill a form. So it all depends on the patience of the visitor. So everyone has a different taste. I didn't like this landing page, but this landing page is more convincing to me, because I like the form, and the form attracts me. The reviews attracts me. This needs a little optimization, even with the phone number, a timer or something, bringing a CD urge can generate good sales. So even selling that, even getting it ranked for your targeted customer term, and then eventually selling it to the landing page and having the client on a monthly retainer can also be a good option. So yeah, I try to discuss few of the ways on selling local SEO service and make money. Do you have any other interesting point to share? You are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And if you are looking for local SEO, web development, Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads management, setup, optimization, you are more than welcome to reach us through the link in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel in case if you're looking for videos like this. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.